everybody, it's me, Mr. Hunter. Hope you're eating vegetables, staying healthy, and practicing safe social distancing. Anyhow, I'm here to do this rocket launch for you guys. I have the questions that I asked you to think about while you're watching this video, like which rocket do you think will launch the highest and why? And then as I'm doing this experiment, if you think I'm doing something incorrect, or if you think I'm doing something that you could do better, or it could be more scientific, more accurate, go ahead and think about that, write that down, and we'll discuss it in the Zoom conference later on this week, probably on Friday. I wanted to show you, I measured out 325 milliliters of water into each of these rockets. We talked about keeping as much the same when we're doing an experiment. So same amount of water, I'm going to be using 20 psi for each launch. And then we also have a tennis ball with duct tape. We found that that cone setup worked really good when we were doing testing in school. So I have this 1 liter Fiji bottle, this 1.5 liter Smart water bottle, and then this 2 liter Sprite water bottle. And I went ahead and added the water into here. That way it'll just be faster for the video, but you can measure out and pour the water if you want to do this experiment. Which reminds me, one of the 5th grade students, Caden, found this on Amazon and we ordered it for the class. I think it was like $30, $40, and this is a way you can launch 2 liter water bottles or any other liter. It has some interesting stuff from Newton's third law of motion, and there's some other fun stuff in here too, some paperwork when you get it, but it's a fun thing to do. So let's go ahead and start the launch. My lovely assistant Allie is holding the phone.
Hello!
And she will also be the one who's kind of deciding which rocket flies the highest. All right, here we go.
We're gonna back up so we can see the rockets from afar. Sorry for the shaking.
Okay, this is the Fiji.
So this is the Fiji bottle. Woo! That's pretty good.
Okay, next up is the Smart.
I can't hear him. He said next up is the Smart water bottle. Here we go. Ooh.
Finally, this 2 liter Sprite one.
Here we go.
Okay, that's it.
All right.
Your answers.
Which one do you think went the highest? Have a good day.